guys, welcome to another video. Welcome to another video, guys. Alright, it's your Tech Doctor Graphics here with another banger. Alright, it's not a banger, okay? Okay, alright, so as you know, this is a learning channel. Alright, this is a learning channel. We teach a lot of things, not only graphic designing but technology wise, okay? However, we're mainly focusing on graphics right now. Alright, guys, from time to time we will drop in some technology tips, some how to fix this, how to fix that, how to troubleshoot this, how to troubleshoot that. Okay, but for now we're focusing on graphics, guys. Alright, so today I'll just show you guys some of the tools on the toolbar. Well, I'm gonna show you all of the tools on the toolbar. However, I'm just gonna start with this video. I'm gonna just put two of the tools in the toolbar. Alright, so let's get it in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Alright, so as you know, if you check the last video out, we show you how to create a document. Alright, so I'm gonna create my document fast. Set up my guidelines to roll up my document so when I'm printing I won't have a problem with the printer cutting off my graphics. Okay, alright, so here we go. Alright, so all my lines are ruled, everything is equal. So alright, here we're gonna start with the move tool. However, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna look for an image on my desktop. It's very crowded, guys. Oh my god. Alright, so you're gonna go to file, open. You should see a window pop up. Click on desktop. Alright, click on desktop. I'm gonna search for, alright, just sorry, here's a candy machine. Let's get it in. Alright, so what you do now, you click on your move tool, click the image or text, whatever you want to grab. Here you see it's moving. Yes, click on the left mouse. Alright, the left mouse, and drag it to your document. Voila. What you do now, you hold the document, or I'm not seeing the transformation controls on here. So what you do, if you're not seeing it, click on auto select, click on show transform. See, you see it show now? Oh yes, good. Alright, so we're not using a group, we're using layers. So click on your layer tab. So you're gonna, you with the move tool, you're gonna click on the any corner of the candy machine and hold down on shift and your left mouse and just drag it out. Reason why you hold on shift, it keeps the image as is. It don't scale it out of proportion. Alright, and uneven. So our here is our candy machine all zoomed up and everything. Alright, so I'm using the mouse to move it around all around our documents, or you can take it out of the document, take it in back. Alright, guys. Alright, so we're gonna click here. This tool is to, like, you're applying all the changes to it. If we click this, um it will go back to the regular, the first side that it was in. Alright, look, I'm gonna click it now and you're gonna see, you see, go to the original side. So I'm gonna click Control Z on our keyboards and our Command Z on our Mac. Alright, and it go back. Alright, guys, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna as we show you the move tool. Yes, so we move it around, so that's a good one. Alright, so this is the move tool right here. Just click move. Alright, what we're gonna do now, the second tool we're gonna show you is, before we get in the good stuff, I have to show you all these stuff, guys. So please bear with us, see with us. Alright, because this channel is a learning process. Alright, so this tool right here, right below it, is a rectangle marquee tool. Click on it. What this does now, when you click and drag over an object or anything at all, Once it's in the um the rectangle, it's gonna automatically copy the document. Copy the where it's at. It's gonna copy that section of it. All right. For instance, look here now. All right. I'm gonna go back to the move tool. Put my scale down this a bit. Put it up here. All right. So what I'm gonna do from here now, I'm gonna click on our marquee tool and make a selection in this area, right? So that area selection, that area selected, sorry. So if I go Control J or Command J on a Mac, you see it right down here, it's copied. Right here is copied. All right, so go to the move tool, drag it over here. Voila, just magic. Don't you see? Just magic. So this tool, just you have the elliptical marquee tool, the single row marquee tool, the single column marquee tool to do the same job. It make a selection of the area and copies it. And you can just use Control J or Command J to copy. Okay, guys. So that's it for today, guys. Just tune in for the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe because we're putting out content every single day. So I see you tomorrow and we will continue on our toolbar. Okay, guys? Love you all.